Ever wondered which jobs AI might replace by 2030? As we venture deeper into the 21st century, artificial intelligence continues to advance, posing a potential threat to several job roles. Stay tuned to find out the top 7 roles that AI is most likely to replace by 2030, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. First on our list, data entry clerks. Advanced AI systems can process and interpret data at lightning speed with remarkable accuracy, rendering the traditional data entry clerk role obsolete. So, it's fair to say that this role is a prime candidate for automation. Next up, bookkeeping clerks. As artificial intelligence advances, it's mastering the art of handling financial transactions, maintaining records, and producing comprehensive financial reports. This means the traditional role of bookkeeping clerks may become obsolete. With AI's precision and efficiency, this role could soon be a thing of the past. Third on our list, telemarketers. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing customer interactions. It's capable of answering queries, selling products or services, and working round the clock, all while handling multiple conversations. With AI's ability to work 24/7 and handle multiple conversations simultaneously, this job is surely on the chopping block. Fourth, retail salespersons. As AI technology evolves, personalized shopping experiences are becoming the new norm. Not only that, but AI can also handle transactions and manage inventory, effectively reducing the need for retail salespersons. As AI becomes more prevalent in the retail industry, this job could become less common. Fifth on our list, proofreaders. Artificial intelligence with its advanced algorithms can effortlessly check for grammatical errors, punctuation mistakes, and syntax issues. This could make the conventional role of proofreaders redundant. So, proofreaders might need to look for new opportunities in the near future. Sixth, market research analysts. The rise of artificial intelligence is transforming the landscape of market research. AI can swiftly analyze market trends, consumer behavior, and competition, making the traditional role of market research analysts potentially obsolete. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly, this job could be at risk. Lastly, manufacturing workers. Imagine assembly lines humming with AI, meticulously performing quality checks, and courageously handling tasks too hazardous for human hands. The role of manufacturing workers could become obsolete as AI continues to advance. This role could become less prevalent. So there you have it, the top 7 roles that AI might replace by 2030. From data entry clerks to manufacturing workers, technology's rapid advance leaves no stone unturned. This is a clear sign that adaptation is vital in this ever-evolving job market. As we bid goodbye to some traditional roles, we also welcome the dawn of exciting new career paths. Remember, as technology evolves, so does the job market. Stay ahead of the curve and keep learning new skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting insights.